Hey there, I'm Hannah and this is Bib, and welcome to whatever this is. I've loved fiber art, especially crocheting, for a really long time. I've had an Etsy shop and an Instagram and a Pinterest for all of my crochet items, and I figured since I enjoy crafting videos so much, I would see if I enjoy making them. So follow along as I work on my project. Currently, I'm working on the V-stitch shirt from Crochet by Bev. So check out her YouTube channel if you want to follow that tutorial too. And we'll see how it goes.
Are you recording?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. Why? I feel self-conscious. Like I don't know, it feels weird to do.
I think it's cute and fun.
Could be. Feels stupid.
Oh, there's no need to. It's a fun little thing.
I think what feels stupid is like the whole idea of like, I don't know, like, oh, she thinks she could do something. Like she really thinks she did something.
What do you mean?
You know that saying? Like that's the feeling that I get.
I think it's more of you're doing something fun, just
I guess so, yeah. That's true.
like it's like you're not thinking you're gonna be a billionaire because you start posting YouTube videos.
Certainly not. Oh well, that's true.
I think it's your intention. It's like if you started a site, like your Etsy business is really cute. You did that for fun, not thinking that you're gonna make a life, you know. You know what I mean? I think it's your intention. I don't think it's like you think you did something. I think it's like you did something because it was fun and you wanted to do it.
Yeah, I guess. Okay, so currently in the Michaels parking lot, about to head home. Got the yarn, but they only had 2 skeins left, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do long sleeves for my sweater or if I'm gonna have to try and order some online, but 2 is better than nothing, so off we go. Okay, so here is my progress so far. I've got this much done. I think it's really cute. I hope it fits when I sew it all up. I mean, it's a little, I think a little more form-fitting, I think, than I would have liked. But I'll have to see. And I'm hoping I have enough yarn left to do the long sleeves. I have a skein and a bit, which, you know, I did this much with a skein and a bit, so I'm hopeful. But this is kind of where I'm gonna diverge from Crochet by Bev's pattern a little bit, because she does the sleeves a little differently. I am gonna do long sleeves. I want the V-stitch to be in the same direction as the body, so I'm gonna start at the cuff and do it as a flat piece. And then I like seaming my sweaters by, I actually lay the piece flat and then I seam along the shoulder, and then I go from the end of the arm down and then down the side. I can show you when I get there, but that's just preference. So I'm going to start on the sleeves. I am now officially playing Yarn Chicken. I am less than halfway through the second sleeve and I have this much left. I want to be positive, but the sleeve only gets wider at the end near the shoulder. And with a stitch like this that's thicker, it uses a lot of yarn. So we will see how it goes. Plus I need enough yarn to go crochet everything together. So this should be interesting. So it is official. I really truly believe I am losing Yarn Chicken. I'm this far in. I have this much left. Things are not looking good for me. So I seamed the shoulder. I had this much left. shut up. Okay, wait, so cute. Okay, all right, okay. Okay, so I problem solved and I did run out of yarn, but I unattached and unraveled the sleeve that I had already attached for 2 rows. That finished the 2 rows on the sleeve that I still needed, so they're both even. And then I found a similar-ish yarn in my stash. You can see here, oh, here. It's not quite the same, but can you see it from the outside? Oh, yeah, yes. See? It's that stripe there. Do I mind? This much, but that is a tolerable amount for me, especially that I saved the money on buying new yarn I wasn't going to use much of, and I'm trying to work on, you know, being more sustainable about my crafting, and it's like, is that really going to make a difference in my piece? No. Crocheting it all together was quite the process because I decided to be crazy and switch colors for the stripes so that it matched, basically. I have so many ends. If I could show you how bulky my single crochets are, because you could see all the ends I sewed in, crocheted in. I didn't have to sew them in. So anyways, so now the sweater's done, other than buttons. So I'm going to be picking some buttons from the ones I have collected and sewing some on, and then I will do a final try on, and that's so exciting. That's all. So did I forget to make buttonholes because I was so anxious to make the hem and had to undo it all to add the buttons? Yes. But this is the cutest sweater. I'm thrilled. So is Bip. I'm positively shocked at how well it came out. I guess with the colors mostly, because like I don't usually like combine colors. Like it's either kind of neutral or like monotone, but this is like the cutest fall sweater. Like oh my gosh, stop. Okay, so anyways, turned out really well. Crochet by Bev's pattern, 10 out of 10. The only thing I changed was really my approach to the sleeves, and I did change like the gauge a little bit just because I used a different yarn, so I kind of just measured it all myself as I went. All in all, successful project. I did not finish it nearly as quickly as I thought I would because there was a lot of trial and error with the sleeves because I am not smart. I just do and then I have to rethink and undo and redo. If I thought I had a little bit, I'm sure I would be able to do it in less tries, but that is not who I am. So it was really fun to make this video and like kind of capture my process of like when I make something, the ups and downs. I don't know. I love watching videos like that. So for me, it was fun to like make one of my own projects. And I don't know, I think this was a super successful like first project. So pumped about that. I'm gonna try and like be a YouTuber. So like and subscribe. I guess if you want to see me do some more projects or whatever other, you know, crafty crochet videos I come up with, that would be cool. And thanks for watching.